Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about the benefits of red spinach. Also, I will be showing you my harvesting video of red spinach. I have grown this vegetable because it is very easy to grow, cook, and it has lots and lots of benefits. Red spinach is also called red amaranth and it grows very quickly. These are the leaves of red spinach, and these are the flowers. These are the fully matured seeds of red spinach, which are black in color. This is how a fully matured plant of red spinach looks like. Now I will be showing you all my harvesting video, and side by side I will be telling you all the benefits of red spinach. Red spinach is rich in calcium. It contains fiber, which is good for your digestive system. The fiber content helps in relieving constipation. Red spinach also contains iron and vitamin C. Since it contains iron, it is beneficial for treating anemia. You can cut the leaves of this plant and you can add them for making soup, and also you can add them while you are making other vegetables, or you can simply boil the leaves of this plant and consume it. It is very healthy. This is the green amaranthus. This is also very good for your health and you can also consume it. It tastes almost the same. So this was my harvesting video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is all I got for today. As you can see, a nice bunch of leafy vegetables. I'll be also showing you all my other vegetables which I have grown. This is a spinach plant. It is called the Malabar spinach. Then next, here I have a tomato plant where one tomato is already ripe. Here I have grown white radishes. As you can see, it is about to be harvested. It is fully grown. And this is a cripple of ivy gourd. I have already posted a harvesting video of this vegetable. You have to just water them and they give a lot of ivy gourds. Then next, here I have pineapples which are grown in huge amount. Almost 50 pineapples we harvest every year. Then this is another tomato plant. And these are brinjal plants. We have already harvested most of the brinjals from these plants, and now new flowers and buds are coming. So that's it for today. I hope you all liked the video. If you all liked, then please subscribe to my channel.